In my last video on the Bnkr price prediction, I gave you a nice 10% scalp, a pump from here from the 50 MA on the daily chart. And then if you have an opportunity to short, I said where you can short it for another 8%. Both of these plays were right. I'm back from vacation. It is time to record again. So the question is, what is going to happen now? And there's a few things that I'm interested in seeing. The first thing that I want to show you, especially on the 4 hour chart, is we're having this weak high. This is a weak high because selling pressure here and here is way stronger than the buying pressure on these candles. And if we actually pull up the volume areas, the point of control is right here. So it seems that a good buying opportunity lies at the 4719 area. So this is where we would be interested in taking some long. So set up alerts and start buying at 47 ish for a scalp. Again, this is basically the way I'm thinking about playing this. If you want to follow more of my trades, I'm back to trading meme coins again. We're up to 162 grand on VOOX. Use the link in the description down below to sign up for my course, which I made pretty cheap in my signals chat. I will also leave a link to sign up for Bnkr because they're giving away 8.2 grand in welcome bonuses. Check them out. This video is no financial advice. See you in the next